Hello viewers, I'm an engineer Ayazam. Today I will teach you field factor and MPPT in a solar system. MPPT means maximum power point. MPPT means maximum power point. So let's start. First of all, I will draw a diagram. It will help you out. So for example, this is voltage, this is for voltage, and this is for current. So here I will draw this. For example, this is our maximum MPP, maximum power point. This is our short circuit current. This is load current. This one is load current, and this point is open circuit voltage. So this is open circuit voltage. Now I will clear your concept through formula. So field factor, this is too much important for solar system. If you are choosing a solar system, so you should consider this one. Field factor is equal to PMPP, power maximum power points, power at maximum power points, divided by open circuit voltage multiplied by short circuit current. So here, as we all know, that power is equal to VI. So here this is power. We could change this. Field factor equals to VMPP multiplied by, follow this formula, IMPP divided by open circuit voltage multiplied by short circuit current. So this is a formula. Now we could easily analyze this formula. If field factor will increase, then the product of this, we can say, power at maximum power point will increase. Or if field factor will increase, then field factor will be directly proportional to VMPP and IMPP. If field factor will increase, then VMPP will also increase, IMPP will also increase. So field factor is inversely proportional to open circuit voltage multiplied by short circuit current. So here we could easily analyze this one. If our field factor will increase, then open circuit voltage will, if this will increase, then this will decrease, because they are inversely proportional to each other. So you should analyze this. Being an engineer, you should analyze the formulas. For example, I will solve a numerical. Now I will solve out a numerical. For example, here we have to find out VOC. We have to find out VOC. So let's suppose the VMPP is 24 volt, IMPP is equal to 2 ampere. ISC is equal to 3 ampere. Then field factor is equal to 40, for example. Then we have to find out VOC. As we seen that field factor equals to VMPP multiplied by IMPP divided by VOC multiplied by ISC. Now ISC. Now we have to rearrange this formula. So we have to find out where open circuit voltage VOC will all the way come out here, and field vector will VMPP multiplied by IMPP divided by field factor multiplied by ISC. So VMPP, for example 24 volt multiplied by 2 divided by 40 multiplied by ISC is 3. So finally VOC will come out 24 multiplied by 2 divided by 40 multiplied by 3. So it is equal to 0.4 volt. Thank you so much, viewers. If you have found this videos very useful, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much once again.